Hello, hello, hello. Welcome. This is B from Binky's Vapes. Yes, 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 we are open. We're not open regular hours yet. We're open from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Saturday. We do have online shopping and shipping, but we only use Cash App. You can order online. We have some new products I want to show you today that I don't think you're aware of that's on the line. You asked for nicotine. You asked for so that you can mix your nicotine in the zero nicks that we have in the shop. We have a lot of zero nick flavors in the shop that because we run out of 3 and 6 so often. So we do have the Halo nicotines. We have them in this size, which is a 60 ml called Fusion. Now this is nicotine that you want to mix a couple of drops of concentrated liquid in. Let me see. And they come in a 10 ml size, and it's concentrated, so you just put a couple of drops in this, and you can make 4 to 6 60 mls with this one. Very concentrated. Very concentrated, a couple of drops, 3 to 6 drops per this size bottle, but you can also use it in this nicotine size bottle. For this nicotine, these nicotines we also have in 3 and 6 nicks, and they're just base nicotine. You can see I've created some flavors and been using them. With the base flavors, we have, these are 16.5 milliliter bottles, and I've created the Snickerdoodle. And these are used to replace some of the BinkyVapes flavors that you all loved, and I wish I could replace them, I really do. And it tells you the percentage to add to this bottle. Now, if you notice, on this bottle, it has a ruler. So the bottle will come short filled, and that 10% will help you get to the 60 milliliters. So it comes short filled. Now, for me, I added Snickerdoodle and I added some vanilla ice cream because I wanted my Snickerdoodle kind of creamy. And if you notice, I didn't add much. So I can get several more 60 ml bottle flavors out of this. I can create other flavors, like if you want a berry ice cream, you want a berry cheesecake ice cream. And on the Snickerdoodle, I used, let's see, about half. So I'll probably get another 60 ml flavor out of this. So these are, you can buy these separate if you have your own nicotine, or if you have your own flavors, you can buy these separate. We have these in 3 and 6 nick. It's just nicotine. So you can add any flavor to it. If you buy these separate, please pay attention to the percentage. This is the recommended percentage on the side of each bottle. Like this one says 8, but this flavor here, the blue raspberry, very potent flavor. I've already made 2 bottles, and I've only used, okay, there it is. The line is right there, and it starts out right at the crest. So I've already made 2 bottles out of this. It's very potent, very potent. On the Rainbow Sherbet, if you notice on the Rainbow Sherbet, I've used it all just in 1 bottle. So it depends on your flavor profile and how potent you want your flavors to stand out. So this was, which one is this? Yeah, Rainbow Sherbet. I don't know if you can read it. I try to write the flavor on the bottles, which is a good thing to do, especially since there's no flavor written on the bottle. It's just nicotine. You want to write your flavor on the bottle so you can remember what it is, or just be surprised. And again, it has the warning labels as required, and it has its ruler on the side. And you can mix and match all kinds of flavors. So we also have nicotine in a 10 ml bottle. I don't have one right here, but it's this nicotine right here from Halo, but it comes in a 10 ml bottle. So for all of those flavors sitting on the shelves that are zero that you love, you buy the flavor and the nicotine separate. And if you want to do a 3 nicotine, you want to buy 18 concentrated, and it's a 10 ml. So you will have to dump out 10 mils of liquid into a spare bottle. Don't throw it away. Dump it in a spare bottle. Put in your 10 milliliter of nicotine into the zero nic flavors that we already have. And then you have 10 mil of your second bottle. Mix it, shake it, and no steeping required for the Halo brands. Now for the base liquid, you're going to have to steep it. So don't buy this with the intent of vaping it today. At least 24 to 36 hours of steeping. And then if you want to steep it any longer, you can. I steep mine for like 3 to 4 days. And I steep it, once I mix it, shake it up, mix it, I put it in a cool, dark place away from light, usually in my kitchen cabinet or in my nightstand drawer. So those you have to steep. The Halo ones with the blue label and the Halo concentrated 10 mil flavors do not need steeping. This is concentrate, so you're going to get 60 mils out of this. So not only are you able to create flavors, but it's going to save you money as well, which is one of our objectives, is to help you save money while you are on your road to quitting smoking. So our hours again are 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Saturday. So come on in, create your own flavors. The 10 mil nicotines, remember, if you want 3 nic, it's 18 milligrams of nicotine in a 10 mil bottle. If you want 6 nic, it's 24. And for those customers who want more, you need to let us know, and it's based on how many customers want it, because we can buy 1 or 2. If you want 24, 18, if you want a lot more nicotine, then it's there. We also online. You can buy all of this online and have it shipped to you, but that's going to add cost to your vaping before shipping. The website's up. I will put the link on here. We look forward to seeing you. We look forward to all of our customers getting back on their vape kick. We are still adding new flavors. One new flavor that, if you haven't been in and tasted this pear apple or the mango berries, or let me see, what else do I have? The berry blast, or the one that I just finished. Come on in, we're still here. Ooh, this one's good. If you haven't tried this, rainbow cookie. So if you liked our rainbow candy, this is like that rainbow candy. This is a rainbow cookie. So that's another new flavor. So we are reestablishing ourselves, and we are here to stay. We are here to support you in your journey. So make sure you ask Malcolm and Winston. Winston is my son. Ask them about the new nicotines, the Halo Premium nicotines. And the Halo versions will cost more because they're premium. The base liquids are like our house flavors. We're using this to replace the flavors that you loved in our house brand that's going away. So, but the ones that are still in the shop, the 30 mils, you can still get 2 for 20. And we look forward to you shopping with us again. We look forward to finding out how you're doing it in your vape transition, and how you're doing physically, especially with all the mess going on. We want to make sure that everybody stays healthy, happy, and fed. Come on in. Yeah, no, you can't hang out much. If no one else is in there, I'm sure Malcolm and Winston doesn't mind, but keep your distance, keep your social distancing, make sure you wear your mask. We want to protect our customers as well as I definitely want to protect my employees. So Malcolm and Winston are very helpful, very customer oriented. You won't have any problems. Just ask and they will be glad to show you how to. Then let me show you how to fill it. Now these, you don't have to take the whole cap off. You only have to take off the tip. Just wiggle it a little bit. You don't need any tools. And then push it back in. If you have a little gap in there, it's going to leak. Make sure you push it all the way in. Sometimes my fingers are, there you go. You hear that click? When it clicks, it's sealed. It's not leaking. The only thing leaking is at the tip, so I'm not going to turn up. But it's no leaking. So that's a good thing. And then you can buy, mix and match. These are flavors I am testing. This is a Mountain Dew. This is a Belgian waffle. So we will have a lot more flavor options. We are not going to get rid of, we're keeping Aqua. We're keeping Fizzy Lemonade. Some people have asked for RY4. RY4 now is a butterscotch made by the same company as Fizzy Lemonade. That will be coming in by probably about the 21st of September. We do have another butterscotch coming too. If you haven't had that caramel though, it's in 100 ml. That's a good one as well. So Binky's Vapes is here to stay. BinkyVapes is still growing. BinkyVapes is still adding, changing, updating, upgrading. We love our customers. We appreciate all the support you've given us even before coronavirus, but even during the virus. I loved having all of you come to the house and pick up stuff. I like seeing you. I like being able to communicate with you. So we will continue to support your journey. And we love and appreciate the support that you have given to Binky's Vapes. So come on in, get the new flavors, try the new nicotine bases that you've asked for, try the new nicotine 10 mils that you can put into all of those zero flavors that are sitting on the shelf. Just add nicotine to it and you got your favorite flavor again until it's gone. Now for our blueberry cobbler customers, we are still on the search for a good blueberry cobbler. I have like 8 or 10 flavors coming in that you can try. So stay in touch. For my peppermint customer, I have another peppermint coming in. It's not quite a peppermint, but I hope you like it. We're trying to, again, reduce your cost and keep the flavors that you like. Thank you. Looking forward to seeing you. You won't see me much in the shop anymore. Winston and Malcolm are handling it since our hours have been reduced. But I'm always available. You can chat with me on Facebook. Those of you who have my cell phone number, keep texting me. I do respond. Instagram. If I don't respond within a couple of days, that means I'm just busy because I usually check Instagram and Facebook at least once or twice throughout the day since I am working from home. So looking forward to hearing from you, looking forward to seeing you, and looking forward to making you happy with your purchase. Thank you. Have a great experience with Binky's Vapes. Have a great night. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay fed. Ciao.